Welcome to this video on why your RCCB trips when grid power returns and how to fix it. We will explore the technical reasons behind these nuisance trips and how to approach them safely. Does your breaker trip as soon as the grid returns after a blackout? This common issue can be frustrating. Let's break down why this happens. Under normal conditions, an RCCB acts like a scale. It compares the phase current going out to the neutral current coming back. If they are equal, the breaker stays on. If the currents don't match, for example, if there is a 30 milliampere difference because current is leaking to Earth, the RCCB trips instantly to prevent a hazard. When the grid returns, multiple devices power up simultaneously. Their internal capacitors draw a surge of inrush current, which can cause a momentary, harmless leakage that triggers the breaker. Many electronic devices have EMI filters that leak small amounts of current to Earth. If the total normal leakage plus a grid transient exceeds 30 milliamperes, the RCCB will trip. During a changeover from backup power back to grid, mechanical switches may momentarily cross wiring paths, causing the RCCB to detect an imbalance and trip. If a neutral wire accidentally touches an earth wire downstream, current returns through the earth path, causing the RCCB to miss the returning current and trigger a trip. Environmental factors like rain can increase leakage in outdoor circuits by reducing insulation resistance. Additionally, aging appliances naturally develop higher leakage currents over time. It is important to distinguish between breakers. An MCB protects against overloads, while an RCCB is specifically designed to detect tiny leakage currents to prevent electrical shock. You can often identify the cause by the timing. For instance, tripping on grid return suggests transient issues, while tripping during rain points to moisture-related insulation faults. To isolate the fault, turn off all branch MCBs, turn on the RCCB, then flip the branch MCBs one by one. Once the breaker trips, you have located the problematic circuit. If the problem persists, an electrician can use a megger to test insulation or a clamp meter to measure precise leakage current, taking the guesswork out of the repair. Never repeatedly force reset a tripping RCCB. It is a safety device, warning you of a potential threat. Ignoring these trips can lead to serious hazards. We hope this guide helps you understand your electrical system better. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.